This is the Ledge Bay Cosmos in the Garden paint by number set. I started this paint by number set. I put some painter's tape for the edges and I've been working on it. It comes with this easel, which is super nice. You can work with the painting on the easel, or you can use it for display at the end. There's also a little guide here in case you painted over some of the numbers. You can see the numbers, which is a really handy tool. And there's a reference image, and I painted some of the colors on here so that I can see. Sometimes it's a little bit easier to do that than look at the reference image, which has really small numbers. And it comes with 4 brushes, a flat brush, and 3 smaller brushes, pointed brushes, and paints that you need. I really like how this set came with an extra number 2. I guess that's the one that runs out the most. And little hooks and screws that you can put on top of your canvas if you would like. Also comes with some instructions and ebook that you can download. So I've been working on this, and what I noticed about the paint is that you can, some of them are a little bit transparent, so you'll have to put multiple coats. But I really like the painting, I really like the image, and I can't wait to see what the final result is going to be. So here is the final painting. I've completed the first layer. I'm going to go back over it with some touch-ups, but it turned out really nice. I really like the image, the picture, and it's going to look great on my wall.